Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a Jane Austen themed journal. I haven't done one of them in ages. If you can see the kind of smoky stuff, it's not smoke, it's one of these little things that gives out not steam but cold air, like mist, because my sinuses are really bad, so I've got that on the go. So yeah, back to this Jane Austen journal. Haven't done one in ages. Turned out rather chunky. Sorry about the lighting. Sorry about my voice as well. So we've got a crocheted cover, like a closure basically. The journal measures 7 3/4 by 4 1/4, one signature, 60 pages front and back, and it will be listed for sale on my coffee shop, and I will put a direct link to that below in the description box. So let's go inside. So like I said, this is a crocheted doily. Thanks to Lynn, who sent me loads of them, and they're a lovely idea. So the doilies have just got a button and some trim on there, and obviously I've sewn that on, so that is that. And here we've got all the different staggered sized pages. There is buttons here, which is the centre of the signature, and it's the wax linen thread. So I love this. So anyway, kits are from various people. I will mention as I go through. I may have to stop because I may start coughing. I've got a dry, tickly cough. So this paper here is from Ruby and Pearl on the outside. This is from Tsunami Rose. We've got some lace trim there. I think this is Tsunami Rose. So is that. So is this page here. I made these little postcards specifically for this kit, so they're my own, and I'm actually going to work on a Jane Austen kit. I'm in no rush to do it, but every time I've got a little bit of time, I'm going to make something and pop it in a file until I've got a little Jane Austen kit. These are from Tsunami Rose as well. These, I can't remember who they're from, but if you really want to know, ask in the comments. Excuse me. Ask in the comments and I will find it on Etsy. This is Tsunami Rose, and I've put it through my binder all there. These are Tsunami Rose as well. So is that. There's some ARTYmaze background paper here. Lace trim. This is from Bohemian Crafting. Who's that from? That is from Ruby and Pearl. These are both not ARTYmaze. They are both Tracie. They're not Tracie Fox either. They are Tsunami Rose. All these names just like jumping around in my head. This is mine. You can find that on my coffee shop. Then that flips out here. Oh, we've got a pocket there. I didn't put anything in that, but I've got a whole lot of stuff left over, which I shall put something in there. I have to make a tag up. So anyway, that opens out like so, and whoops, and I literally forgot to put something in there as well, but like I said, I have got stuff, so I'm just going to set all these bits in. I'll just make a couple of tags there. That's too big, but can make something from that as well. So that's what I'm going to do with that. Can't believe I forgot that. So anyway, this is ARTYmaze. That is ARTYmaze as well. This paper here is Ruby and Pearl. This is Tsunami Rose, and so is this. So there's a whole mixture of people's work in here. Tsunami Rose. And like I said, we'll go back to that. There will be something in there. Don't know where that's from. Now, I can't remember who that's from. I don't know if that is Tsunami Rose or Dreams, etc. I really can't remember. And again, I don't know who that's from. And that is just a little tri-foldy thing. Goes in there. That just flips open. There's nothing in there. That is TaylorMadeJournals. That's from a book. This, again, I don't know who that's from. I'll have to do some searching. some trim here. This is Tsunami Rose, so is the little tag. It's opened at the back there, and then we've got the pockets here. I made these tags as well, and these are like the house, the big stately homes from like the Jane Austen movies, movies. Ruby and Pearl, Tsunami Rose, Tsunami Rose there. That's the little postcards that I made. That's Tsunami Rose. Got a little pocket here with a little tag, some trim here. This is ARTYmaze. This is another tag that I made. So, like I said, I will slowly make a little Jane Austen kit. That flips up, so you can do some journaling. And is it open? Yeah, it's kind of open slightly there. Little tag there, they're both from ARTYmaze. That flips out. This is TaylorMadeJournals. We have got here a pocket. That's ARTYmaze. So is that. This paper there is from my, not Etsy, I don't have Etsy. That is from my coffee shop. You go over to my coffee shop and have a browse around, look at the journals, look at the digitals, bookmarks. ARTYmaze here, made that tag, I think that's cute. ARTYmaze there, bookmark, tag that I made, isn't he handsome? And ARTYmaze there. Here are the buttons. Missed a page, no I didn't. Belly band, that is Tsunami Rose, that is ARTYmaze. And again, I can't remember where them papers come from. Trim here, ARTYmaze there, that is ARTYmaze as well. That flips open, that goes in there, and I've squished that. So I've done some, I actually picked up the wrong punch. Do excuse me. Still blame the heating, putting the heating on this week. It's actually really got to me. But I did have a temperature the other day as well, but I think it's because I ended up with a bit of a sinus infection. Because nobody else has got a cold or anything like that. So that flips opened, like so. You can do journaling, add a photo. Then here we've got a tag from ARTYmaze. Got an envelope, there's nothing in it. And that goes there. Little postcard here from Tsunami Rose. Little postcard that I made. Tsunami Rose there. Some trim here. Pocket up here. Here we have, that's another little flip out there. So if anybody recognises them papers, you can mention in the comments below who it is. And that is a journal card, that's from Tsunami Rose. Flip out here, another bookmark. ARTYmaze. I believe that paper in the background as well is ARTYmaze. How pretty is that? Little double heart here. We've got another, they're like bowl jars and little calendar there. That is TaylorMadeJournals. And what I did was I just put the paper clip there just to kind of create like a closure. There obviously isn't a closure, so that, whoops, that all this lot doesn't fall out. Trim here, we have a little postcard, we've got another envelope. ARTYmaze, there's nothing in it. And I've just got that in here like so, and then that goes on there. That's my papers. Tsunami Rose, again another one of these. There's a tag the other side. Gosh, I sound terrible. I actually feel okay, but you know what it's like when you've had a coldy thing. You're left with the remnants of it all. That's another tag that I made. Tsunami Rose there, Tsunami Rose here, and there. That's another little postcard that I made. I was trying to find like smaller things for the smaller pockets, and that's obviously why I decided to make them. Here we have a tag, little top pocket there. These are both Tsunami Rose, and that is Ruby&Pearl. So that is the journal. It weighs quite a lot. I don't know why it weighs that much. It weighs more than what they would normally weigh. I don't know why. So like I said, this will be listed on my Ko-fi shop. The direct link will be below. Check out my other items I have for sale. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.